Hello everyone, welcome. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just we're waiting 1 minute for joining all of those other participants, then we'll start out today's session.
Sure, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so now we'll start for today's session. So hello everyone, welcome to the 7 days online training program on Google Earth Engine for remote sensing and GIS analysis. So basically in this online training program, we are just focused for beginners who don't have any knowledge in Google Earth Engine or who don't have any knowledge about the coding or programming such as JavaScript or Python. If you have done any knowledge about the coding section, don't worry about that. We try to complete all of those things from beginners to advanced level in Google Earth Engine platform. So basically, it's our total 7 days online training program, and each days I will provide you total 3 hours. Mainly 2 hours I provide the live training session, and 1 hours for our problem solving. So every class I also give some assignment in our Google Classroom, so you can check and try to solve all of those assignment. And further, when you face any problem regarding any issue, then we try to discuss in our 1 hour live training session. Okay, maybe 2 hours live training, 1 hour for the problem solving class we take. Okay, and in this online training program you are also get some benefit when you complete your all of those assignment, then you also get a certificate, as well as you are also get the lifetime teaching support. So basically, Google Earth Engine platform is a totally when you learn as a beginners, you face a lot of problem. Okay, so that's why you get the continuous support. Okay, so when you face any problem regarding any issue about the coding, or when you face any problem regarding any issue in your work, you can easily get it the support from us. And we already created the WhatsApp group, as well as we already created our Google Classroom. You just simply post your problem. Okay, then you also get the support from here. Anytime you can post when you face any problem. Okay, so let's go. First of all, I will try to discuss about our course syllabus. So mainly what you will get after completing the total 7 days online training program, what you learn from me. Okay, so I simply share my screen and then try to start. Let me share. I think some. Okay, so I am situated in the nearby road, so that's why the problem. Okay, so let me. Yeah. So now can you see my screen? See my screen now?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If there's any question, you can simply ask me. No problem, anytime. So let's go. So first of all, I will try to discuss about that course syllabus. Okay, so let's go. So in this online training program, we try to cover all of those things from beginners to advanced level. And if you have no knowledge about the coding, don't worry about that. We also try to complete also coding section, mainly Python and JavaScript, both of coding we try to complete. And then how we can easily use the coding in Google Earth Engine platform and do for the different types of remote sensing analysis, we try to discuss one by one. So here you can see the course content about that. So mainly first day, I will try to discuss about the introduction to Google Earth Engine, then how to use Google Earth Engine using JavaScript and also Python API. And we also try to discuss about the some basic principle of JavaScript and Python syntax, and also talk about the client and server object on Google Earth Engine. Then how we can easily importing raster and vector data from local storage, as well as Google Earth Engine dataset, how to filter the attribute table. Second is I also try to discuss about that, mainly how we can easily filtering the different types of satellite images, mainly Landsat, Sentinel, MODIS, this type of image, how we can easily filtering and displaying. Then how we can easily create the different types of composite, how we can easily use the different types of band combination, then how to export the satellite imagery, mainly Landsat, Sentinel, MODIS, then how to import, filter, reduce, clip, and display the raster data in Google Earth Engine platform. Then we talk about the time series chart analysis, and also talk about that how we can easily export the Inkscape file from the Google Earth Engine platform. And third day, we try to discuss about that calculating any indices from satellite images. It can be Landsat, Sentinel. and filtering and displaying the satellite image, mainly Sentinel-2, how to remove the cloud, all of those things we try to complete in here. Then we talk about the thresholding technique for extract the water body. Then how can easily create the different types of indices, mainly NDVI, NDWI, SAVI, EVI, or any other kinds of indices. How can easily make the time series chart using Landsat or Sentinel, and how to add the gradient, legend, and title on Google Earth Engine map, and how we can easily calculate the normalized difference water index from MODIS and Landsat data. And fourth, we try to discuss about that how to remove different types of cloud and haze from the satellite images, mainly Landsat and Sentinel imagery. Then we talk about the DEM dataset. Using the DEM, how we can easily create the different types of hillshade, slope, aspect, as well as we try to discuss about that land surface temperature or LST monitoring using Landsat image, as well as also MODIS satellite images, and how to calculate average, maximum, minimum NDVI for any specific region. How we can easily create the monthly time series chart. We try to discuss about the for evapotranspiration. We try to discuss about that. And fifth, we try to discuss about the air quality monitoring. So mainly all of those parameters, how we can easily monitor using remotely sensed data. And then how we can easily make the time series chart in CSV format, as well as download the air quality parameters data. How we can easily make the air quality monitoring time series chart. Okay, how to calculate the total emission of nitrogen dioxide or any specific gases using Google Earth Engine platform. And we also try to discuss about another ArcMap software, mainly ArcGIS software. So basically, in ArcMap software, we also try to show you that how we can easily create the research paper map, as well as also using the Google Earth Engine dataset, how we can easily create the map. So basically, in Google Earth Engine platform, we can easily download the any kinds of data as a raster format. So further, this data I need to manipulate using the ArcMap software for creating the different types of map. So how you can easily do that? I also show you that in this time for the ArcMap software. Okay. And sixth, we try to discuss about the machine learning method in Google Earth Engine platform, and using the different types of machine learning methods such as random forest, support vector machine, minimum distance, then classification and regression trees. This type of machine learning method, how we can easily use and then make the land use land cover classification map using supervised and unsupervised algorithm. All of those things we try to discuss, as well as accuracy assessment, how we can easily do for that, cup accuracy, producer accuracy, consumer accuracy. All of those things we try to complete. Then calculate the land use land cover class area, how to add the legend on LLC map, how to export land use land cover map for a research paper using ArcMap software. And seven, we try to discuss about the change detection, mainly land use land cover change detection, NDVI change detection. Okay, this type of thing we try to discuss. And another hyperparameter training, we also try to discuss about that because it's need for the improving the accuracy of our machine learning model. So both of things we try to complete it one by one. And you can get after submitting all of those assignments, basically every class I put some assignment in our Google Classroom. You already join our Google Classroom. I put that. You can get all of those materials, such as all of those practice code, all of those slide, all of those PDF book, all of those things you can easily get. And you also get the recorded class also. Suppose when you miss any class, you can easily cover using the recorded class. And lifetime teaching support, basically regarding this online training program, when you face any problem regarding any issues, you can get the lifetime teaching support. And it's very important as a beginners, when you want to learn the Google Earth Engine platform, you face a lot of problem. Okay, so that's why you need the continuous support. When you face any problem, you can simply post in our Google Classroom, or you can also message in our WhatsApp group. Okay, then you can easily get the solution about this problem. Okay, so let's go. I simply open my today's slide from here. So let's go.